Whoa, whoa!
Sweet airplane.
Daddy, watch out!
Keelan has designed super cool airplanes. Here, let him tell you all about them.
So see these things,
Pulled out the inner wings.
I pulled out the wings to keep these together to form cockpits. And I have a baby sister that was eating one. I made 2 of them, and there's little Lego minifigure guys inside. I used lots of tape, and this thing is so the minifigures don't follow. Because if I just threw it like this, then the minifigures would be like this.
So you actually made a full minifigure cockpit.
I made a full minifigure cockpit on a paper airplane.
Yeah, and they still fly awesome.
And they still fly awesome. Bye.